Before there was something called medicine, there was music. A lot of the mbira music are compositions that were actually created with a healing intent. You get a clear feeling that everything is moving in cycles, and the cyclical feeling helps to relax you because it doesn't feel like the music is trying to go from A to B. It doesn't feel like it's trying to get somewhere. What it feels like it's just spiraling. The music has a sort of a bright frequency of resonance and overtones coming over the top of it. And those really tend to give anyone a sort of uplifted feeling. There are so many ways in which this music is healing, and the music has been used to heal people for a long time, hundreds, like I said, maybe thousands of years in Southern Africa and in Zimbabwe. They actually play mbiras for people who are not feeling well, or who are going through sicknesses or illnesses or healing, whatever. They actually play the mbira music for these people. It relates to energy. It's an energy healing. It's a vibrational frequency healing, they've used gongs for healing for a long time, centuries. Mbira is sort of like having several gongs all lined up on this wooden soundboard. So each key resonates, and each key like sings out a frequency. And like I said, it's almost as if each key is its own gong. And when you play these keys, these gongs or these keys resonate together harmoniously.
Do you think you feel the energy when you're playing it?
Yeah, I do. It's a form of meditation. When you play it, you just feel this like cascading, these cascading like arpeggios of frequencies that are just like going through you, and are all around the space around you, and I think everybody feels that. Everybody feels that. It's a kind of, like I said, a sonic acupressure or sonic, cleansing that just goes through space. So, everything is energy.